Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best One RS case is probably one of the most essential accessories for your Insta360 One RS. This rugged case not only provides robust protection against drops, scratches, and the elements, but also enhances the camera's usability with its thoughtful design. Whether you're an action sports enthusiast, a travel vlogger, or simply someone who wants to capture life's moments, this case ensures your camera stays safe and ready for action. Number 5. TELESIN 360 Backpack Mount for Action Cameras. This mount features a 360-degree quick-release tripod adapter base. It allows for easy mounting and removal. You can use it on a 3M adhesive pad or as a replacement plate. It's built with an adjustable shoulder pad to fit various bag belt sizes. The pad is made of elastic nylon, and the plate uses shock-absorbing elastomer to reduce shake. This design ensures comfort and stability. Perfect for activities like hiking, cycling, and skiing, this accessory provides a hands-free POV experience. It offers a view similar to a chest strap or neck mount, but lower than a head or helmet chin view. This mount is compatible with a wide range of action cameras. It supports GoPro, DJI Osmo, and Insta360 models, as well as other cameras with a universal 1.4 port. It's a versatile choice. The package includes the backpack strap mount, a 360-degree rotation tripod adapter base, and a locking screw. Please note that the camera and other accessories shown in the pictures are not included. What we like. This backpack mount offers a unique 360-degree rotation, allowing you to capture footage from any angle. The quick-release feature makes it easy to switch between different mounting options. If you're looking for hands-free POV shots while hiking or cycling, this mount is perfect for you. What people say. The Insta360 One RS case is a great addition to the camera. It fits the camera perfectly and provides excellent protection. The case is well designed and easy to use. Number 4. TEELSIN G2 Ultra Long Selfie Stick. This is the TEELSIN G2 Ultra Long Selfie Stick. It's designed for capturing amazing photos and videos. It's perfect for group shots and getting unique perspectives. This selfie stick extends to an impressive 106 inches, giving you incredible reach. You can adjust it to multiple lengths for the perfect shot, from 40 cm to 270 cm. Made with upgraded carbon fiber, this stick is more stable and reduces bending. It can even achieve an invisible shooting effect, making your photos look professional. The bottom features a universal tripod mount, allowing you to connect it to a tripod. This is especially helpful when extending the stick to its full length, providing extra stability. When collapsed, it's only 40 cm long, making it easy to store and carry. It's compatible with a wide range of action cameras and smartphones, offering 360 degrees rotation for capturing every angle. It works with GoPro, Insta360, DJI Osmo, and many other action cameras and smartphones. Make sure you have the right mount for your device, and you're ready to go. What we like. This selfie stick extends to an impressive length, perfect for group photos and capturing wide shots. Made of carbon fiber, it's both stable and lightweight. If you like to capture unique perspectives and need a versatile tool for travel or events, this selfie stick is your ideal companion. What people say. The Insta360 One RS case is a great addition to the camera. It fits the camera perfectly and provides excellent protection. The case is well designed and easy to use. Number 3. TELESIN Camera Carrying Case. This carrying case is designed to protect your action camera and accessories. It is compatible with a wide range of cameras, including GoPro, Insta360, and DJI models. This case keeps everything safe and organized. The case fits various action cameras and accessories. It has space for cameras, mounts, batteries, and more. You can easily store everything you need in one place. The case features a stylish design. The rhombus pattern and soft velvet interior make it stand out. It's both fashionable and functional. The interior dividers are adjustable. You can customize the layout to fit your specific gear. This allows for flexible and secure storage. This case is compact and easy to carry. It fits in backpacks or carry-on luggage. It's perfect for travel and home storage. The case offers excellent protection. It has a waterproof PU surface and a soft velvet interior. It keeps your gear safe from the elements. What we like. This carrying case provides ample space and customizable storage with its DIY dividers. The waterproof design ensures your gear stays protected. If you have a lot of accessories and need a reliable way to organize and protect them, this case is a must-have. What people say. The Insta360 One RS case is well designed and provides excellent protection for the camera. The case fits the camera perfectly and allows easy access to all buttons and ports. The case is waterproof and can withstand harsh weather conditions. Number 2. TELESIN Mini Carry Case for Action Cameras. This is a compact and lightweight case designed to protect your action camera. It's perfect for keeping your camera safe during travel and everyday use. It's a must-have accessory for any action camera enthusiast. The case is specially designed for DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, Action 4 III, Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro cameras. It provides a secure fit for your camera, ensuring it stays protected. This case is a versatile solution for various camera models. This mini carry case is easy to carry and store. Its small size allows you to put it in your backpack, bag, or luggage. Take it with you on all your adventures. Made with durable EVA material, this case offers excellent wear resistance. It protects your camera lens from scratches, dust, and other potential damage. It keeps your camera safe from the elements. The half-open zipper design allows you to attach a selfie stick while keeping the camera secure. This feature provides convenience and safety. This design makes it easy to use your camera with accessories. The package includes one small carry case. Please note that the selfie stick is not included. Get yours today and protect your investment. What we like. This mini carry case is designed to protect your camera lens from scratches and damage. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to protect your camera lens on the go, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fits perfect. I like how the bottom portion is open to keep the camera attached to selfie sticks, etc. By its quality, I couldn't imagine not having it. Brilliantly thought of how you can keep the camera on the extender pole or whatever you've got it attached to, but simply in 1 second zip the case around to protect the camera, and the case brilliantly thought of. Number 1. Mippko Camera Mount for GoPro, Insta360, DJI. This versatile mount works with a wide range of action cameras. It includes a connector adapter for various models. It's designed to fit your favorite devices. The Jaws Flex clamp is made of durable nylon with anti-slip silicone pads. It securely grips surfaces from 0.236 to 1.97 inches. It is perfect for indoor and outdoor use. The gooseneck arm features a 2-layer design with aluminum and galvanized wire. It's covered in silicone for a comfortable feel. The arm can hold up to 1.54 pounds, perfect for small cameras. Easily adjust the camera angle with the flexible arm. It bends, stretches, and folds without damage. This ensures you capture the best visual effect. This mount is easy to install on various surfaces. It grips solid without any movement. Enjoy the fun of video shooting with this convenient mount. What we like. This mount features a flexible gooseneck arm and a strong clamp, allowing you to position your camera in various angles. It is compatible with a wide range of action cameras. If you like to get creative with your shots and need a versatile mounting solution, you should consider this. What people say. The Insta360 One RS case is well designed and provides excellent protection for the camera. It fits the camera perfectly and allows easy access to all buttons and ports. The case is waterproof and can withstand harsh conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.